Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about higher derivatives. This topic is under Calculus 1. And this maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here y is equal to 1 over square root of 1 minus t squared. Find the second derivative of this function. So this function is applied in the chain rule. Okay. So chain rule. So this will be. So I need to square. This is my simple formula. 1 minus t squared, and then the denominator must be squared. And then I need to copy the denominator. Square root of 1 minus t squared. And derivative of this numerator. Derivative of a number is 0. Then minus. Copy the numerator, differentiate the denominator. So, to differentiate, let us take the power. This is 1/2 because that's square root. And then this will be 1 minus t squared. 1/2 minus 1 is negative half. And derivative inside, negative 2t. Okay. So, this will be dy. I will take first that first derivative, dy dt. So, this will be 0. Then I have here, negative times negative, that will be positive. So, this will be 2t. Then, I have here, 1 over 2. Then, 1 minus t squared raised to negative half. Then, 2 will be crossed out. I forgot to write the denominator. So, square root squared, that will be 1 minus t squared. So, the exponent is 1. Okay, so, I have now, this will be 1 minus t squared. And then, I have t. 1 minus t squared raised to the negative half. So, I need to erase this one at the top. So, this one, first derivative, this will be t. So, need to place the denominator to make it positive. So, this will be t. This will be down. So, 1 minus t squared raised to 1. And then this one will be 1 minus t squared raised to positive half. So, this will be t over 1 minus t squared. Okay, take note, this is 1 and 1/2. That will be 3/2. So, this is my first derivative, dy over dt. So, this is my first derivative. Then, let's proceed to the second derivative. So, this will be, okay, d2y over dt squared. This is now the second derivative. So, again, I need to square my denominator. So, this will be 1 minus t squared raised to 3 over 2 squared. Then, I need to copy the denominator. This is 1 minus t squared raised to 3/2. Then, derivative of the numerator, which is 1. Then, minus. Copy the numerator. Then, differentiate the denominator. This will be power formula, 3 over 2 times 1 minus t squared. Then, n minus 1. So, 3/2 minus 1. So, this will be 1 over 2. Then, derivative inside. That is negative 2t. Okay? So, this will be 1 minus t squared raised to 3 halves. Then this one, negative times negative, that will be positive. Then 2 will be crossed out. So this will be negative times negative, that will be positive. So this will be 3t squared times, circle brackets, 1 minus t squared raised to half. Then all over by 1 minus t squared. Take note, 3 halves raised to the power of 2. This will be crossed out. So I have here 3. Okay, simplify this one. So common factor between 1 minus t squared raised to the 3 halves and 1 minus t squared raised to half. The common is 1 minus t squared half. And then this will be 1 minus t squared, 1 because 3 halves, plus this one is already outside, so this will be 3t squared. Then all over by 1 minus t squared raised to the power of 3. Next is, okay, we can cross out this one because the same. So this will be cross out, and then this one will be 3 minus 1 over 2. So 3 minus 1 over 2, that will be 2 and 1 over 2. So in proper fraction, this is 5 over 2. So this is now 5 over 2. So 1 minus t squared plus 3t squared over 1 minus t squared raised to 5 over 2. And then simplify the numerator. So this will be 1 minus t squared plus 3t squared. That will be plus 2t squared. Then this will be 1 minus t squared over 5 halves. And then the final answer, to make it radical, this one, so this will be 1 plus 2t over square root of 1 minus t squared raised to 5th power. So this is my second derivative. So this will be d2y over dt squared. So this is my final answer. And that's all.